From smart kitchen upgrades to everyday home essentials, these hand-picked products are designed to simplify routines, boost comfort, and elevate daily living. Whether you're cooking, organizing, cleaning, or relaxing, each item adds practical value, convenience, and a touch of modern ease to your home. All products links in the description section below. When outdoor cooking is about more than food, this hanging kebab grill brings people together effortlessly. Picture a relaxed backyard evening, a campsite by the beach, or a casual picnic where skewers slowly rotate, cooking evenly without heavy smoke. The clever all-land water separation keeps flames clean, making it comfortable for patios and even well-ventilated indoor spaces. With dual cooking modes, you can grill juicy meats on hanging skewers while preparing vegetables or fish on the flat net, all in one setup. Its portable, stainless steel build makes packing, cleaning, and setup simple, so the focus stays on good food and shared moments. If you enjoy grilling as an experience rather than a chore, this versatile BBQ setup is worth exploring at $90.23. Enjoy it anywhere today together. If your morning coffee routine is more than just a caffeine fix, this mini coffee scale fits seamlessly into a calm, intentional lifestyle. Whether you're pulling a quick espresso before work or enjoying a slow weekend pour-over, its 0.1 grams precision helps you dial in the perfect ratio every time. The built-in timer keeps your brews consistent, while the compact, travel-friendly design makes it easy to use at home, in the office, or even on the road. Rechargeable via USB-C and simple to clean, it removes the guesswork from brewing and lets you focus on flavor, aroma, and rhythm. If you enjoy coffee as a daily ritual rather than a rushed habit, this is one small upgrade worth trying at $29.99 every single morning ritual. If your home feels cluttered or understyled, these floating shelves offer an easy way to refresh your space without a full makeover. Imagine a calm bathroom with neatly arranged essentials, a living room displaying plants and books, or a kitchen where everyday items feel intentionally placed. Their clean, rustic design blends naturally into modern, farmhouse, or minimalist interiors, while the hidden brackets keep the look sleek and uncluttered. Each shelf supports up to 22 pounds, making them practical enough for storage yet stylish enough for decor. Installation is straightforward, so you can enjoy the transformation almost immediately. If you love small upgrades that make a big visual impact, these shelves are a smart addition to your home at $21.99. Fits any room beautifully today. If you love a clean, modern kitchen that feels both practical and polished, this acrylic cutting board fits right in. Picture prepping fresh vegetables on a marble countertop, slicing bread for breakfast, or assembling a quick sandwich without worrying about slipping or mess. The clear, food-grade acrylic design protects your counters while blending seamlessly into your decor, so it looks as good as it works. The built-in counter lip and non-slip pads keep everything steady, making everyday prep calmer and more controlled. Lightweight, easy to handle, and versatile enough for serving or organizing, it's a simple upgrade that quietly improves your routine. If you appreciate tools that balance function and style, this board is worth adding at $16.98 for cleaner, everyday cooking routines. If you're setting up a calm, focused workspace at home, this compact computer desk makes it easy to get started. It fits comfortably in bedrooms, small offices, or study corners, creating a dedicated spot for writing, studying, or working without overwhelming the room. The clean white finish blends naturally with modern decor, while the sturdy metal frame and scratch-resistant tabletop handle daily use with ease. There's enough surface space for a laptop, notebook, and essentials, keeping everything within reach and neatly organized. Easy to assemble and light enough to move around, it's ideal for students, teachers, or anyone building a simple productivity zone. If you want a functional desk that keeps things minimal and focused, this one delivers at $19.86 for everyday work and study setups. If tangled cords or seasonal decorations constantly create visual clutter, these cable clips make organization feel effortless. Picture a clean desk setup, neatly routed charging cables, or outdoor fairy lights hanging smoothly without nails or tools. The strong adhesive holds up in different weather conditions, making them reliable for both indoor and outdoor use, while the compact size keeps everything discreet. With 120 pieces included, you can tackle multiple spaces at once, from home offices and dorm rooms to patios and holiday decor. They install in seconds and remove cleanly, so adjustments are easy whenever your setup changes. If you enjoy tidy spaces with minimal effort, these clips are a simple fix at $9.99. Keep everything neatly in place always. If cafe-style drinks are part of your daily routine, the Nano Foamer slips effortlessly into that lifestyle. Imagine slow mornings or relaxed afternoons where you turn ordinary coffee into a smooth cappuccino or latte without bulky machines or complicated setups. In just 30 seconds, it creates rich microfoam that feels indulgent yet practical, whether you're experimenting with latte art or simply upgrading your home brew. The waterproof, dual-speed design makes it easy to rinse, store, and use again, keeping your routine simple and enjoyable. It's perfect for coffee lovers who appreciate quality but value convenience just as much. If you've ever wanted barista-level results at home, this tool makes it achievable at $37. Elevate your coffee moments daily. If a good night's sleep is part of how you recharge and reset, these bed pillows bring that hotel-style comfort home. Imagine sinking into soft, supportive pillows after a long day, whether you sleep on your back, side, or stomach. The plush-down alternative fill offers gentle support without feeling firm, while the breathable cotton cover helps keep things cool through the night. They hold their shape, fluff back up easily, and are simple to wash, making everyday comfort feel effortless. Perfect for bedrooms, guest rooms, or dorms, they turn rest into a small luxury you'll appreciate nightly. If better sleep is high on your list, this set delivers lasting comfort at $59.99 for deeper, more restful nights ahead. If your walls feel a little empty or your memories are tucked away in a drawer, this picture frame collage set makes it easy to bring them to life. Imagine creating a gallery wall in your living room, hallway, or bedroom that tells your story through family photos, travel moments, and favorite snapshots. With multiple frame sizes included, you can mix and match layouts or spread them across different rooms for a cohesive look. The sleek black finish suits modern spaces, while the shatter-resistant plexiglass keeps everything protected. Whether mounted on a wall or styled on a shelf, these frames add personality without effort. If you enjoy turning everyday spaces into something more personal, this set delivers great value at $20.51 for a stylish memory-filled display setup. If your living room is where life naturally gathers, this sectional sofa sets the tone for comfort and connection. Picture movie nights stretched across the double chaise, relaxed afternoons with family, or hosting friends without worrying about space. The U-shaped design invites everyone to sit comfortably, while the soft, breathable fabric makes lounging feel effortless. High-density cushions offer support without stiffness, and the sturdy frame keeps everything feeling secure for everyday use. It's an ideal fit for apartments or open living spaces where comfort and function matter equally. If you're ready to upgrade your main seating area into a cozy centerpiece, this sofa delivers lasting comfort at $359.99 for shared moments and everyday relaxation. If keeping your kitchen neat helps your day run smoother, these refrigerator liners are a simple upgrade with everyday impact. Picture opening your fridge to clean, colorful shelves where spills and sticky messes are no longer a problem. These non-adhesive mats stay in place, wipe clean in seconds, and can be trimmed to fit drawers, cabinets, or shelves throughout your home. The BPA-free material adds peace of mind, while the bright colors make organizing food easier and more enjoyable. They're perfect for busy households, new homes, or anyone who prefers easy maintenance without extra effort. If you enjoy practical solutions that save time and stress, these liners are a smart addition at $9.99 for cleaner, more organized kitchen spaces. If your space needs both warmth and function, this square standing lamp blends lighting and storage beautifully. Picture a cozy corner in your living room or bedroom where soft light sets the mood while shelves display books, plants, or decor. The adjustable color temperature lets you shift from relaxed evening ambience to brighter task lighting, making it easy to match your routine. Its clean, modern design fits neatly into corners without taking up much space, while the sturdy shelves add practical value. Easy to assemble and versatile in style, it feels like more than just a lamp. If you enjoy thoughtful pieces that do double duty, this one stands out at $31.99 for stylish lighting and smart storage solutions. If you want your bedroom to feel calm, stylish, and clutter-free, this lift-up storage bed makes a noticeable difference. Imagine lifting the mattress to reveal hidden space for extra bedding, seasonal clothes, or shoes, keeping everything organized without adding bulky furniture. The smooth hydraulic system makes access easy, while the sturdy frame ensures everyday durability. Its modern wingback headboard adds a soft, elegant touch, instantly elevating the look of your room. Designed to stand on its own without a box spring, it simplifies setup while maximizing space. If you appreciate smart furniture that blends comfort, storage, and design, this bed is a practical upgrade at $269.99 for a cleaner, more organized bedroom experience. If your mattress feels a bit too firm or tired, this memory foam topper offers an easy comfort upgrade without replacing the whole bed. Picture settling in at night as the plush foam gently contours to your body, easing pressure points and helping you relax faster. The gel-infused design works to regulate temperature, making sleep cooler and more comfortable through the night. It's ideal for dorm rooms, guest beds, or anyone looking to refresh their current setup on a budget. Simple to unroll and enjoy, it transforms sleep with minimal effort. If better rest is on your wish list, this topper delivers noticeable comfort at $49.99 for softer, cooler, more supportive nights ahead. If you love hosting, but want to spend less time running back to the kitchen, this electric buffet server makes entertaining feel effortless. Picture family dinners, holiday gatherings, or game day spreads where every dish stays warm and ready to serve. With 3 stainless steel chafing dishes and adjustable temperature control, it keeps meals at the perfect heat without overcooking. The sleek design looks great on a table or countertop, while easy-to-clean parts simplify cleanup after guests leave. It's a practical upgrade for anyone who enjoys sharing food without stress. If hosting is part of your lifestyle, this server delivers convenience and reliability at $69.99 for warm, crowd-ready meals every time. If your shower feels crowded or cluttered, this adhesive shower organizer set instantly brings order without drilling or tools. Imagine stepping into a clean, organized space where shampoos, soaps, and accessories are all within easy reach. The rust-proof stainless steel shelves handle humidity effortlessly, while the strong adhesive keeps everything securely in place. With multiple shelves, hooks, and holders included, it's easy to customize storage for your daily routine. Installation takes just minutes, making it perfect for apartments or rentals. If you enjoy a calm, well-organized bathroom that's easy to maintain, this set delivers serious value at $14.98 for stress-free, clutter-free shower organization every day. Busy mornings and long days are easier when lunch is already sorted. This Miss Big bento box fits perfectly into an on-the-go lifestyle, whether you're heading to work, school, or a relaxed picnic. The roomy compartments make it simple to pack balanced meals without mixing flavors, while the leak-proof design keeps your bed clean and stress-free. It's microwave, dishwasher, and freezer-safe, so reheating leftovers or meal prepping feels effortless. Made from BPA-free, natural wheat fiber, it's a healthier, reusable alternative to disposable containers. Lightweight yet durable, it slips easily into backpacks and totes. If you're ready to enjoy homemade meals wherever life takes you at $15.90 every day made easier. Turning an ordinary evening into pizza night feels effortless with this Chefman indoor pizza oven on your countertop. It fits naturally into busy weeknights, relaxed weekends, or casual get-togethers when homemade food brings everyone together. With rapid heat up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit and simple touchscreen presets, you can go from craving to crispy, bubbly pizza in minutes, no delivery required. The included stone and peel make the process feel surprisingly professional, while the compact design works even in smaller kitchens. Whether you love experimenting with dough or just want reliable frozen to fresh results, this oven adapts to your routine. It's a fun way to cook, share, and unwind together at $199.96. Enjoy restaurant pizza nights. Hot afternoons, movie nights, or weekend hangouts feel instantly more fun when icy drinks are always within reach. This frozen drink maker fits smoothly into everyday life, letting you turn juices, sodas, smoothies, or fraps into perfectly chilled treats without needing ice or extra prep. The built-in compressor does the hard work, while the touch controls and preset modes make it easy to dial in the texture you like, whether soft and slushy or thick and frozen. With a generous capacity, it's great for sharing with family or friends, and the automatic cleaning feature keeps things simple afterward. It's one of those countertop gadgets that quickly becomes a favorite during warm weather and celebrations, bringing cafe-style frozen drinks home for $249.99. Refreshing moments made simple. Busy weeknights and weekend cooking both get easier when one appliance can handle almost everything. This air fryer oven fits naturally into everyday routines, letting you air fry crispy snacks, roast family dinners, bake treats, or even spin a rotisserie chicken with less oil and less mess. The roomy interior is ideal for feeding a crowd, while the touchscreen presets remove guesswork for consistent results every time. Rapid air circulation delivers that golden crunch everyone loves, and the interior light makes it easy to check progress without opening the door. Cleanup stays simple thanks to dishwasher-safe parts, so you can spend more time enjoying meals instead of scrubbing pans. It's a smart upgrade for households that want versatility, speed, and healthier cooking for $99.96 that fit busy family kitchens. Keeping your bathroom fresh doesn't have to feel like a chore when the right tools are within reach. This smart combo fits neatly beside the toilet, blending into modern bathrooms while staying ready for real-life messes. The sturdy plunger handles sudden clogs with confidence, whether it's a busy family morning or guests using the bathroom non-stop. When it's time for routine cleaning, the dense brush bristles reach under the rim for a thorough scrub without splashing. Everything stores up right in a compact holder, keeping floors clean and your space organized. It's a simple upgrade that adds convenience, hygiene, and peace of mind to everyday bathroom care for $22.99 that keep bathrooms fresh daily. Whether you're easing into a quiet morning or heading out the door for a long day, a reliable tumbler makes all the difference. This insulated mug slips effortlessly into daily routines, keeping coffee hot during commutes or water refreshingly cold between meetings. The comfortable handle and Q-folder-friendly shape feel right at home in the car, at your desk, or on a weekend walk. With its spill-resistant lid and reusable straw, it's easy to sip without slowing down, while the durable stainless steel design handles everyday use without fuss. It's the kind of small upgrade that quietly improves hydration habits and coffee breaks alike, making it easier to stay refreshed wherever the day takes you for $13.30 that fits daily routines perfectly. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe for more great home, kitchen, and smart gadgets finds. Give this video thumbs up and share your thought in the comment section below.